Another ripper day down Tally with the dogs. Nala's being an absolute pest, chasing every dog she can. It's sunny, it's warm. Testing out slow-mo with the GoPro, so I'll see how that goes. And then it'll be into the studio. Morning. How you doing?
What's fucking going on?
Oh, flat out. Oh, that's good. How's the setup down there? The old man did some work for once. Nothing. So, in the studio, I'm doing some headshots today and they're re-shooting some interviews that they did the other day. I'm just going to do some BTS stuff now and it should be fun. Your phone's ringing too. It's not a photo. Okay. Light set up, marking on, umbrella ready to go.
Do it again. Boom.
Not heaps of battery, but should be right.
So, Julie, how did your shoot go?
Yeah, it went really, really well. Taylor smashed it again, as she usually does. So hopefully QUT are going to be happy with this one. Fingers crossed.
Can't read that in the interviews.
Yeah.
But my heart was in the right place.
Yeah, the thought's there.
Well, we got a big studio, so
Or a happy, or like what's...
Oh, you tell. I'm happy
all of it.
All of it, alright.
I'm happy just to do whatever.
Okay. Yeah, I'll show you.
Get Taylor doing
Yeah.
that. Yeah.
Do you do one with your hair up?
Yeah.
And then we'll put the fan in front after. Just finished up in the studio doing those headshots. Thanks Richard for sorting that out for me. Now I'm gonna go get some cash out and pick up a new Digicam so I can make some, well, better videos than what I'm doing with the GoPro. I'm gonna give that a shot. Found one cheap on Marketplace. Go give it a shot. I was actually looking to buy this exact one a few years ago, but they're ridiculously expensive. But now, because they're a little bit old, their price has gone down, so it's real good. Got it. It's pretty much brand new. We'll see if I actually use it or not and how it performs. How good.